pizza?
Ngayon, feeling ko lang.
Ay, hindi na. Panalo na eh.
Hindi naman niya alam eh. Na binigay answer.
Hindi, na we were that close. Hindi naman siguro alam. Tsaka, si Kuya lang kinalaban niya if that's the case.
Oo, no.
Sabihin na ikinamagay sa'yo. Hirap na hirap na tayo.
May favoritism ka raw, kuya.
This task.
Hindi siya favoritism sa totoo lang. Kasi kayo yung on the right track, kayo yung kasi kung kami walang-wala, talaga zero. So, hindi matatapos ang contra battle kung walang maging tama.
Well, it's fun. No, but it's gonna end really today. Kung hindi yun lang siguro nakuha yung...
Friday na ba kayo?
Kung hindi namin nasabi, hindi kayo panalo.
Yeah.
So Friday.
No, Jueves.
Is someone cheating today? So on Saturday?
Hindi.
Next Saturday.
Nomination Sunday.
How do we know?
Tama. Pwede siya actually. Tuesday yun, di ba? Friday. May mga 2 days lang ba na vote?
Yeah,
Dati Wednesday may lumalabas.
Wednesday, yeah.
Wow.
Pwede rin may lumabas Sunday.
TVD.
Are you the writer?
Why didn't you give us
more clues?
Huh?
Why didn't you give us more clues?
Ikaw na magna-19.
Please, please.
No, I was talking about the nomination.
Turning 19.
Birthday.
19.
Sa first day, naisip niyo na yung pampang.
No, pero nakita namin yung pizza.
Napansin niyo na nawala.
All ko na kami, di ba? Ganun talaga yung pizza.
But I was so like, I was like, the pizza is such a small thing. Let's think about something else.
Like, sabi namin,
It's a big thing because it wasn't there when it's there.
kaya lang.
And we thought it was a mistake. That's what.
Pero tama may tumawag. Sa kanya, si Inday tumawag to order for pizza.
So sinabi, sa amin galing sinabi, sa amin na sa cellphone. Tinignan pa nga nilang mga text, diba tinignan niyo?
Lahat nga makikita ko. Chas lang.
Ang weird, tapos ang kinuha lang yung wallet lang ng tatay.
Hindi, alam na lang din. Gano'n ba?
Asa mayaras na talagang ginawa? Wala.
Ano ba yung naman ng 100,000? Wala lang, pang ano niya lang, pang
Tapos
pizza
sa
niya lang.
lapa, doon talaga lang siya sa tatay. Wala na ibang ginawa, wala na ibang hinahanap.
No, jewelry.
Oo, ang lesson niya, don't take anything seriously.
Don't take anything seriously and take things
simple.
Yeah. Rest it sa lokitor.
Everything we do, we're not freaking experts at. At least we've had some background, like Carla and dancing, some background with me. But none of us are experts.
Oo, hindi siya tayo.
He doesn't expect that high of a
level.
Kuya, mga creative artist kami.
I'm actually ballet dancer.
When the whoosh you are? Malikhaing pagsusulat.
Alam.
I did ballet.
Smile on your face, lets me know that you need me.
Ayan yung baka.
Saying you'll never leave me. Touch your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall.
Bakit pala natin to, no? Pag may isa kumanta.
You say it best, you say nothing at all. Ano pala ito, no?
Ano?
Notting Hill na kanta.
Tingnan mo, hindi din pantay, oh. Ang sauce, ang tatagilid.
Lang itong bahay natin.
Lahat, top lang.
Ano yan? Ang sarap! Oo.
It's Ginning!
Ano yan? Ano ba ito? Beef? Wow!
Guys,
Oh, wow!
Guys,
Wow, 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 wow!